Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to update your Telegram email. If you are looking to change your email on Telegram, you're in the right place. Just follow this easy step and you'll have it done in no time. First, open the Telegram app. Once it's open, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. This will bring up a menu with several options. From there, select the privacy and security option, tap on it. At the top of this section, you'll see two-step verification. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, enter your password and hit next. You'll now see three choices: change password, disable password, and change recovery email. Choose the option to change recovery email. Type in your new email address and press the next button. Once you've done that, you'll receive a verification code inside your recovery email. So enter the code and your two-step verification will be updated and active. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram email. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.